So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to decrease audio volume here on InShot. So once InShot's opened up, I'm going to press on audio, press record, and just record some example audio, just like that. So if I were to play it for you guys here, example audio. If I wanted to make that audio perhaps quieter or just decrease the overall volume, press on the audio right here, then go to where it says volume, and then go ahead and slide this bar to the left. So if I were to go ahead and play it right now, example audio, it is much quieter and the noise is decreased quite a bit. So pretty simple, super straightforward. That is how to decrease audio volume here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.